What's up, you guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. Today I got another Jordan 11 and I got the 7210s today. What I'm gonna be doing with this today is showing you how to remove scuffs. As you guys can see up here, I got a minor scuff and then one right here and then one right here. But yeah, so all you're gonna need is some Q-tips and Angelus leather prepare and deglazer. If you guys don't have this, you can always use acetone, but I strongly suggest you use Angelus. And yeah, so you should go check out their website and pick this up, or any other stuff, because I'm always using Angelus stuff. But yeah, so anyways, what you're gonna want to do is get your Q-tip and then dip it in your acetone or your deglazer, and here, just lightly run it over the scuff so you guys can see it just coming right off. Just lightly run it over, and then yeah, so as you guys can see, that scuff is completely gone. Now all it is if you do push down too hard, you will get these little marks right here. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but yeah, if you guys go check out my other video, I'll teach you how to re-shine the patent leather. So yeah, if you look, as you guys can see, I got another one right here. Just lightly go over it. Don't push down too hard. Just lightly, and it comes up basically like a eraser. See, these scuffs are coming right out. Alright, so as you guys can see, all gone. Shoes looking nice and good. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a like. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. I post sneaker videos a lot, probably 3 every week. But yeah, I do all sorts of stuff. I also do like subscriber, suggestions. Yeah, like if you guys suggest something I should do, then I do it. Yeah, but like I said, if you're new, subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Leave a like if you enjoyed this, and yeah, I'm out.